Module 1. Welcome to the pre-program preparatory content. Context. In this module, there are two subtopics. One is learning experience and another one is session introduction. Learning experience. At Digital Disruption, we have worked with India's leading academicians, experts, and technology professionals to create the most engaging learning environment for you. So, to summarize, here's the flowchart. Machine learning course is divided into two different courses. Each course is divided into different modules, and each module contains sessions, and each session has pages, which include text, video, questions, and assignment. Let's dive into session introduction. Introduction. The preparatory course has been designed to ensure that you are familiar with the concepts, tools, and programming skills which will be used throughout the program. In the preparatory course, you will learn basic and intermediate Python for data analytics, querying in SQL, and a few mathematics topics which will be required in some modules of statistics and machine learning. There are 5 modules or topics in the preparatory course as follows. Introduction to Python, Python for data science, maths for data analysis, data visualization in Python, introduction to SQL. It is strongly recommended that you go through all of them. Why these topics or languages? A good data science professional is expected to have expertise in SQL and at least one programming language, that is Python for this program. The preparatory course is aimed at building a strong foundation of these languages early on so that you can focus on the conceptual part of statistics and machine learning during the main program. The curriculum of the main program is fairly advanced and occasionally an understanding of concepts in mathematics will be useful. Hence, it is imperative that you have a good foundation of these topics. How to consume the content. Attempt questions, practice assignments, and coding exercises provided in each module. Evaluate your own performance and identify areas for improvement. Make sure to use the resources available online to improve your weak areas. The additional reading material is provided in the modules. Use the discussion forum to ask questions and write answers to your batchmates' questions. Develop a good amount of expertise in Python and SQL programming languages early on. Do make sure that you spend substantial time practicing your coding skills. Do ensure that you are devoting at least 8 to 10 hours on a weekly basis. Get yourself on a learning schedule so that continuous learning becomes part of your routine. We cannot stress enough the importance of this. Difference between the main program and the preparatory course. The preparatory course gives you only a flavor of the learning experience of the main program. The main program's learning experience will be much more immersive and intensive, where you'll have to access to industry assignments and case studies, real-world projects, TA support on discussion forums, student mentors, industry lectures, and an extensive network of peers. Doubt resolution. If you have doubts, please discuss among your peers through the discussion forum and help each other out. In addition to that, feel free to ask your question in FAQ sessions, and also you can search online resources to get your doubts clarified. Let's meet in the upcoming video. The upcoming video will be on Introduction to Python. Happy learning. Thank you.